What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change out a 2007 Kia Spectra rear right side door handle on the outside. Rear outside door handle, right side, whatever you want to call it. Passenger rear right side door handle, because mine is broken. Oops. So come on, let's go. All right, so first off, we're going to need to take out the panel. This is a Delta mold right here. We're going to have to take this out and pop up under this armrest thing. There's a panel there that we're going to pop out before we can take out the little caps that hold the screws in. It's probably like 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to pop up that Delta mold as well as this arm rest for the door handle, because there's also 2 screws that hold this door panel. And remember, when you do that, you don't want to pluck it out because there is a connector to the window, so you don't want to break that. You know, you want to make it like legit, like a clean pop out. So let's go, I'll show you how to do that. All right, so this one is pretty simple. This is a Delta molding for the outside. All we're gonna need is pretty much like a flathead screwdriver like this, and we could start off from here, under here, and it should pop up. There you go. See it? Like that. And we'll put that to the side. Now we're gonna do this door panel. I like to hit it from here and kind of shimmy it out until I feel it kind of pop out, because it kind of locks over here. That's why. Let's go try. Like this. I mean, if yours is not fragile, like mine's pretty still strong. Don't try to do it because it might break it. It might break off. But yeah, so those two panels and door handle armrest, you got to remove. This thing is easier for the panel to come out. So you got 1 screw, 2 screw. This one doesn't have the cap, but usually has a cap, so you can pop that out with the flathead screwdriver. 3 screw, another one right here, 4, and I guess that's it. Oh yeah, so yeah, you can also pop this out. That one's gonna reveal another screw, you know, like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things that we're gonna unscrew. So let's get to it. All right, so we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fifth screw. Just to be careful, just a heads up, be careful when you do take this out. You're gonna kind of want to shimmy it like that out of the hole, you know, so you don't snap anything in there. Yeah, that's how this one comes out. And now we're just gonna pry it open through this way right here. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of like pry it down. Should be like 3 screw pins that are holding it in. And then we're gonna kind of stick our hand in and unhook the connector for the window. All right, so I didn't want to take it off just yet. I wanted to show you that connector I'm talking about. Let's get in there. Yeah, so it's kind of pried open, but we're not going to pull it out just yet because that window connector right there, as you can see, right there, sorry for the shaky cam, that's what we're going to need to unhook. We're just going to press it and pull down gently. All right, we'll try to get this. Like this. I don't know if we got it, but then yeah. All right, so now that we got the screws loose and we unhooked the window connector, we're just gonna lift up and out and take out the door panel. Now we're gonna have to remove the weird splash guard to reach the inside door handle. All right, guys, so we took off the door panel and the stuff that we needed to, as well as the splash guard, whatever, plastic. We're gonna have to remove this window track. You know, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a window track here. It's gonna be held to by this bolt, or this, it's 10 millimeter. We're gonna loosen that up, and then it connects down here to the side, so we can remove the window track, so we can stick our hand in, and it's easier to reach for this bolt and that one. Check it out. I don't know if you could see it. There's gonna be one more over there, but it's hidden. There you go. It's over there. That's the hardest one to reach, I would say. But yeah, if you want, you could take out this whole door actuator to get easier reach to that. Let's try to do it without taking this out and just get these two, and then we'll put in the door handle. But we'll try without taking out this door actuator. Alright, so it's actually really hard to reach in there. This is different from my KIA Sportage because it's a Spectra. We're gonna go ahead and remove these bolts so we can take out the door actuator and latches. Alright, so we got these removed, and also I didn't show it, but we unhooked these. Be careful to don't break these pins, but yeah, we unhooked that. We got the latches, and now we're gonna remove this one because we're gonna need to move this out so we can pull this back to reach our bolt. This we didn't really need to remove this bolt. Well, just to get this loose, we pried it open and pushed this little tab down and pushed it that way. It dropped. Now we have easier access to reach that bolt in there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a bolt in there that we have easier access to now. We're just gonna get a 10mm as well and unscrew that one. Let's go. Bolt's loose. What we're gonna want to do is kind of pull it gently so it can come out. The last owner of this car, JB welded it, so it's kind of JB welded on. It's pretty long. Save that right there. And then now we're just gonna take this out. Broken door handle. They kind of did some weird JB weld shit on it. Yeah. So we're gonna go figure this out and also get that screw that fell in. Alright, so we're just gonna clean out this JB weld that the last owner did to the door handle. Yeah, so, this is our new door handle. It's made by Dorman. I mean, that's the number, the part number if you need it. And yeah, I like to always compare the old one. Yeah, so I always like to compare old and new. That's the old one, and we got the new one here by Dorman. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, pretty similar. That one's fucking broke as fuck, but yeah, old, new. And yeah, this is the cap of the old one, and this is the new one. Alright, now that I showed you the old and new, we're just gonna put everything back. I don't know if I showed you this part, but this is the one that holds the screw in. That goes over here for the door, and also this track. So just like that, the sharp screw that you took out should help it sit back in. You don't need to take out the track, you don't need to take it off, okay? I only took it off because the part was cracked and it was stuck inside, but that's just that little section was to show you how to take it out. So yeah, we're gonna get our new handle here, and it's just gonna sink in this way, and you're gonna see it clip on like that, and then you just push that way. So that way the door handle is good to go. And then we're just gonna put the cap on. This, it kind of hooks to help you out. You can kind of lift it up a little bit, and it should sink in. Of course, you're gonna screw this part in and you're good to go. Also, a quick tip before you put in your door handle, I like to put a little grease or lube or WD-40 on it so it slides in a little better when you hook it and then slide. Alright, so I already went ahead and screwed this down. I did the extender thing, and I went through here and I tightened it down. Now that your thing is connected, all you gotta do is put this back, and remember to hook it back onto that right there. Okay, that's what opens the door. Okay, so yeah, when you put the door actuator back, try to hook the door actuator on the handle, so that way when you open your door, let me see, it can also, you know, connect. See that little arm? You need that to lock in when you open your door. That helps to open your door. So yeah, you can go ahead and put these back. Remember to lock that door actuator into that thing. Hook these back and clip them on, and then do everything in reverse. Alright, so you saw me put back everything, the panel, the armrests, the door panel, delta mold panel, whatever, the screws and so forth, and also that small little cup that holds it, and of course the connectors for the thing. Now, we're just going to test if it works. Door closed. Alright, outside door handle, it opens up, it works. Now let's check the inside door handle. Okay. It works. Okay. So both door handles work. We replaced that broken one and we're done. So thanks for watching the video. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe below. This is Jinri's car actually. And yeah, I hope you learned how to do this. And my little video helped you to learning how to replace your rear passenger backside outside door handle. Thanks for watching. Peace.